Hey guys, so the first thing you're gonna need to make arroz con pollo are the following ingredients. You need some chicken drumsticks, we have 2 diced peppers, 1 diced onion, some Queen Spanish olives. Now if you don't like olives, you don't have to put them in, but I like them. 1 large garlic clove minced. We have some nice and flavorful chicken stock, washed basmati rice. Now you can use any white rice. I like basmati rice because it's lower in calories than other rices. And if you cook it in a pressure cooker, you actually kill off all the lectins, so it becomes a lectin-free food. And another tip, if you cook it and then you chill it and then you heat it up again, then you get what's called resistant starches, and they're really good for your digestive system. Okay, just a little tip. Now over here I have some bay leaves, I have some cumin, and some yellow food coloring because I like my arroz con pollo to be yellow. If you don't want to use the yellow food coloring, you can leave it out. Okay, so here I have my pressure cooker, and I'm gonna start putting in all the ingredients. So the chicken legs go in. Okay, then we put in the vegetables. So the peppers, onions, garlic, all this good stuff here. Okay, mix it in there. All right. Then I'm gonna put in my washed basmati rice. Okay, that's 2 cups of basmati rice. I'll put in my bay leaves. And then I will put in 3.5 cups of chicken stock. My coloring and the cumin. Okay, gonna give that a little stir. Your hands are your best kitchen tool as long as you keep them clean. All right. Now this is gonna cook at high pressure for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna do a 10-minute natural pressure release, or however long it takes. All right, so we put the lid on, lock it in place, and we're gonna get going. I'm not gonna go into too much detail on how to use a pressure cooker. I do have a video called How to Use a Pressure Cooker, so if you're not familiar, please watch that video. But I'm gonna do this video with the assumption that you know how to use a pressure cooker, okay? So 5 minutes on high, and then let natural pressure release happen. All right, and this is what it looks like. Some beautiful arroz con pollo. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button. Your subscriptions help keep this channel alive, and they help me make more videos. And if you like the videos, please give the video a like. I would greatly appreciate it. All right guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.